Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to sign up for Sezzle account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, launch open a web browser of your choice and go to the URL box and type in Sezzle.com and search. Doing this will take you to the official website for Sezzle, where you will need to tap on the sign up button at the top right to create a new account. Now, select the stopper sign up or the merchant sign up option. Select the type of account you would like to sign up for. You can choose between shopper or merchant sign up. After making a selection, on the next page, go ahead and enter your phone number. Select your country from the drop-down and enter a valid phone number. Once you are done typing in the phone number, click on Continue. On the next page, enter the 6-digit code that you received via SMS on this registered number. After entering your 6-digit password, on the next page, go ahead and enter some of the basic information like your name, email address, and a valid payment method, whether you are choosing a debit card, credit card, or bank account. Also, you will need to be at least 18 years old and have a US or Canadian phone number and address in order to complete your sign up. Once you make sure and provide all of those information, you will be able to complete your registration for Sezzle. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again with the next episode. Thank you for watching.